Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about the role of small business in the social and economical development of the country. Now, today the topic is quite different from it. Now, the role of small business in the rural area, because I told you earlier, many of people are still living in villages. They migrated from villages to urban areas. So, the Indian government and the small scale businessmen provide some facilities to the people to stop the migration and also to create the development of the rural areas also. And the MSMD Act is given by the government in 2006 to promote the rural India, in which the many plans are also introduced by the Planning Commission of our country to promote the standard of living of the people and also to provide them employment opportunities. That is why again we have to discuss about the role of small business in the rural India and rural India and backward areas of the country. So again, social business, small business. Now yesterday I gave you the definition on the basis of the level of investment. Now today I am giving you the definition of the small business on the basis of machinery. Okay, if a businessman is going to employ machineries in a small business, then he can employ only 50 workers in the organization to carry out the different operational activities. Whereas if the businessman do not have machinery, then he can employ 100 workers in the organization to perform the different operational activities of the organization. So on the basis of power, we can explain in this way that if the businessman have the machinery, then only 50 workers can be employed. If the businessman do not have machinery, then he can employ 100 workers over there to carry out the business activities. So on the basis of machinery, we can explain like this only. Then again, role of small business in rural India is very important, because if the development of rural areas will not take place, then ultimately the development of the country will not take place. Because nowadays also many of people are living in the rural areas and they still do not get the facilities from the government, and even then many of villages are still do not have electricity. So ultimately, with the help of small business, the development of that particular area also is going to take place, because the government and the people want to start the small business in the backward areas to get plenty of benefits from the government also. As I told you, government is providing the relaxation to the businessmen who is willing to start up their business in the backward areas, in which the government is providing the subsidies to them, like tax concession, like free productions, like more production without paying any type of tax. So these types of benefits are also given by the government to the businessmen to start up their business in the rural or backward areas of the country. So the first role of a small business in the rural development, the first one is providing employment in rural areas. It is very important to create the employment opportunities to the people those are living in our rural areas, because generally in the rural areas, different type of unemployment are present over there, like seasonal unemployment. We can take the example of seasonal unemployment, because in rural areas people are totally dependent over the farming, and some of the crops may be grown in 3 months, some may be grown in 2 months, some may be grown in 6 months, and apart from the 2, 3 or 6 months, the people remain unemployed in the country. So to remove that type of condition from the villages, Indian government promote small scale business to be established in the rural areas through the small business, many people got the employment opportunities on the permanent basis in the different companies. Not only they got the employment opportunities, but also they got the opportunities to start up their business in the rural areas. That is why the first role of a small business is to provide the employment opportunities to the people, those are residents of the rural areas. Substantial unemployment is also an example of it, in which if a farmer have a land of 1 acre and four male members are present in that particular family, then only 2 are required to do the cultivation, but 2 people remain unemployed over there. So remove these type of unemployment opportunities. The government insists the businessmen to set up their small scale business in the rural areas. That is why it is very important part. That is why it is an important topic of your curriculum. Because you people belongs to commerce section, you must know that in which areas the businessmen get the cheapest sources to carry out their operational activities, and how the businessman will get plenty of benefits from the government, and how he create the social development of the particular place. Okay. The another one is improve economic condition. Economic condition of the people of rural areas may be improved by getting the employment opportunities, because the companies are providing the salary and wages to the people, and also providing the product at a reasonable prices. So ultimately the standard of living of the people may be improved. The people of villages got good salary and good product from the company, and the infrastructure development will also take place with the help of small business. That is why the economic conditions of the country will be improved. The another one is prevent migration. So I told you earlier, the basic objective of the small business is to prevent the migration from the rural areas to urban areas. If the people got the employment opportunities in that particular place only, then they will not migrate. They will not migrate from one place to another. That is why we can say the small scale business reduce the migration of people from one place to another in search of job, in search of other facilities. But small scale plays a vital role in removing or reducing the migration from the country, in which they provide the employment opportunities in the villages only, so that the people will not be migrated from one place to another. The another one is utilization of local resources. Local resources means the manpower, the raw material, and the other resources will be utilized properly, because a small scale business always hire the people from the nearby place only. The small scale business purchase the material from the people who are living in that particular area only, so that the utilization and proper use of the local resources will take place in the case of a small business. A small business always prefer to get all the resources from that particular area only, in which they are going to operate their business activities. That is why the utilization of local resources will take place. The another one is equitable distribution of net rational income. Equitable means equal distribution of rational income will take place among the people, those are living in the villages or urban areas. The motive of the small scale business is to create the equitable distribution of equity. That means all the people will get the equal opportunities to get more income from the economy. That is why these small scale business are established by the government in the rural areas to promote the equitable distribution of equity. And the last one is balanced regional growth development. Regional development can be done with the help of small business, because generally the large scale companies are established in the urban areas in which they are providing the employment and many other facilities to the people, and also the government is creating the regional or infrastructure development of the urban areas, so that the small business also helps in creating the balanced regional development, because small business are established in the rural areas, they are also providing the employment opportunities, and also they are getting the benefits from the government, and helps in creating the infrastructure development of the backward areas also. So students, this is the role of a small business in the rural India. You just look at the green board, just take out the screenshot of it. Okay students, if you have any problem related to this topic, you may ask your queries on my personal number. You just watch the video again and again to get it properly, because it is an important topic of your chapter. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.